before. So peel and play if you're...
Look at this over here.
So come join the fun this Halloween. We've got prizes.
It's called Fright Lights, and it's a fun, high-energy light show that really brings about the energy, the excitement, and the fun of Halloween as we kick off the Trick Treat Win promotion. With the Trick Treat Win promotion, customers have a chance to win over 140 million prizes that we'll have throughout the month. And with that, they have a 1 in 4 chance of winning. And we like to say, with odds like that, who needs luck? Our Trick Treat Win promotion is a promotion that we are going to be running across the full month of October, starting here on October 5th. And we're basically celebrating and bringing together our delicious, craveable McDonald's food and the thematic all around Halloween. And our consumers really love to celebrate Halloween in a really fun way, and we're excited to bring this program to market.